Okay, I'm just testing this right quick. We got about 18 seconds. We're in an uptrend. It should 21.20 crosses. It should open this trade. Let's see, and enter the stop loss and take profit. Let's see if it opens, executes. Yep, it executed the trade. Stop loss. Ooh, I put the stop. I thought I said stop loss right here. Kirk with an entry, buy entry. Okay, so it entered the trade. Top take profit. Yep, I thought I put the stop loss right there though. What did I say? Stop loss 1.15606. Close this out. 1.15606. 1.15606. Yep. Okay. It entered it. I put it in wrong. So that worked. It's in the buy. I got the trailing stop activated to, come on, open up. I got the trailing stop activated. True. Pips to start trails at 20. Trailing stop pips 40. See, this is just, I'm slow. Sorry, I'm slow. But the trailing stop pips, I thought that was the same thing. Break even, okay, I got it. But we'll go over it. But yeah, this part worked. Now the stop loss right here, this is hidden right from the broker. Right, this is hidden from the broker. Because it's a hidden stop loss and hidden take profits. Right, ended at $1. Yep. I like this. I like this trend filter. See, I just got to understand the trend filter and which one to buy or sell. You know, because how did it know to enter? Well, we'll go over it. But I like this. I like this. Now it just enters. If it exits, if I can just get it to exit on a pullback, if it doesn't hit my stop loss, but exit in profit on a pullback. That's what I gotta understand. We say candles look back, candles time frame look back. I don't understand that part, but right now, yeah, this is good. This is good.